Hello students, welcome once again to another video of chapter number 1 sets. Today we'll be learning practice set 1.2. So question number 1 is decide which of the following are equal sets and which are not and justify your answer. In the last video we had learned the definition of equal sets, right? So we have to just use it here. So A is equal to x such that 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. Set A is given. Set B is equal to x such that x is a natural number but x is neither prime nor composite. Set C is equal to x such that x belongs to natural number and x is less than 2, right? So first we will check out and solve set A. So in the given question it is x such that 3x minus 1 is equal to 2, right? So we have to solve first 3x minus 2, right? 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore, minus 1 will go that side and will get added. Therefore, 3x is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 1, right? So, the value of x we got here is 1. So, we will be writing it in set. Therefore, a is equal to inside curly bracket 1, right? So, this we will take equation number 1. Set B, in the question it is like this: x says that x is a natural number but x is neither prime nor composite. Yes, so we had learned this already in the last standards, that is 1 is the only prime number which is neither prime nor composite. Yes or no? So the value of x here will be equal to 1. So this we will write it in set B, that is equal to in curly bracket 1, and this we will take as equation number 2. Now set C. Set C is equal to x such that x belongs to natural number and the value of x is less than 2. Yes or no? So we already know that natural number starts from 1. Yes or no? So and the natural number which is less than 2, that is 1. Yes, so we can write 1 is the only natural number which is less than 2. Therefore, the value of x here is 1. So, value of x will just substitute. Therefore, C is equal to 1. Yes or no? So, these all things we had converted into listing form. Right or not? This question was in set builder form. We just converted into listing for just to understand which are the elements inside the set. Yes or no? After considering the elements only, we can make out that the sets are equal or not. Therefore, if we see equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3, will come into a conclusion that the set A, set B and set C, all three sets are having same element, that is only 1. Yes or no? So, from equation 1, 2 and 3, we can come into a conclusion that the elements in set A, B and C are identical, right? So a final answer we can write, therefore sets A, B and C are equal sets. Question number 2, decide whether set A, B are equal sets. Give reason for your answer. Your question is, first set A is equal to even prime numbers, right? And set B is equal to x such that 7x minus 1 is equal to 13. This is the same question as we did in question number 1, right? First, whenever we need to find equal sets or not, we have to convert the question into listing form, right? So here set A will take even prime numbers. Yes, so in the exercise 1 also we had seen the same question, that is since 2 is the only even prime number, yes or no, so the element inside set A will be equal to 2, right? Next, set B. Set B question is x such that 7x minus 1 is equal to 13. Yes, same question as question number 1. So here first we have to solve 7x minus 1 is equal to 13, right? So minus 1 will go that side and will get added. Therefore 7x is equal to 14. Therefore the value of x we will get as 2, right? So this also we can write in set B, that is the element is 2 in curly brackets, right? So in equation 1, that is set A also we got element 2 and set B also we got element 2. Therefore from equation 1 and 2 we can write the elements in set A and B are identical. Therefore sets A and B are equal sets. Question number 3. Which of the following are empty sets and why? Right? So before moving into the question, we have to understand what is empty set. Empty set means which has no element inside it, as we had seen this part in the explanation, right? So we'll move on with the question. First question is A is equal to curly bracket open A such that A is a natural number smaller than 0. Yes or no? So A is equal to curly bracket open A such that A is a natural number smaller than 0, but we already know that natural number starts from 1. Yes or no? So we can write natural numbers begin from 1. Yes or no? So there won't be any number, yes or no, smaller than 0. Therefore A is equal to, we can write curly bracket, and inside it we will be writing no elements, right? Because no element will be coming, right? Because there is no natural number less than 1. So therefore A is an empty set. Question number 2, it is B is equal to X such that X square is equal to 0, right? So we have to put some value in X that the final answer should be equal to 0. Yes, so if we take square root, we'll get X is equal to 0, right? So here X is equal to 0, the value of X is 0, and you'll have to understand that the 0 is also an element. Students often get confused in it. If 0 comes, they write directly it is an empty set, but it is not like that. Keep it in mind, if 0 comes, then 0 is also an element, right? If 0 comes, then this set is not an empty set, right? Therefore B is equal to, in curly bracket we can write 0 and curly bracket close, right? So 0 is also an element, therefore B is not an empty set. Set C is equal to X such that 5x minus 2 is equal to 0 and X belongs to natural number, right? So here also same way as we had done earlier, we have to solve first 5x minus 2 is equal to 0, right? So here 5x minus 2 is equal to 0, therefore 5x is equal to minus 2 will go to the right hand side, that will be equal to 2, therefore X is equal to 2 upon 5. But see the question again, it says X belongs to natural number, right or not? It says X belongs to natural number, and we know that in natural number 2 upon 5 doesn't come. Yes, therefore we can write, but X is equal to 2 upon 5 is not a natural number. Yes or no? Therefore C is equal to, we have to write an empty set with no elements in it, right or not? So the final answer we can write here is C is an empty set. Now in the next question we have to find that the given set is finite set or an infinite set, right? So question number 1, A is equal to X such that X is less than 10, also X is a natural number, yes or no? So we know that a natural number which is less than 10, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, yes or no? So the number of elements in set A is limited, yes or no, and can be counted, yes. So the elements which are limited and can be counted is termed as finite set, right? So this we had already learned in the explanation part. Question number 2, set B is equal to Y such that Y is less than minus 1 and Y is an integer, yes or no? So less than minus 1, that is minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, dot, right? So we can write in this manner, dot, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, right? So here whenever there is dot, it shows that it is infinite. That means it cannot be counted. So we can write like this, the number of elements in set B is unlimited and cannot be counted, right? Therefore B is an infinite set. Question number 3, C is equal to set of students of class 9 from your school, right? So students, you know that students in your class can be counted, yes or no? So the number of students in a class is limited and can be counted. Therefore C is a finite set. Question number 4, set of people from your village. So we have already studied in geography in the previous standards that the number of people in census, we count the number of peoples in our village, right? So accordingly they vote. So the number of people in the village is limited and can be counted. Therefore, given set is a finite set. Question number 5. Set of apparatus in laboratory, right? So apparatus also we can count. It is not unlimited, right or not? So it is being countable. So the number of apparatus in laboratory is limited and can be counted, right? Therefore, given set is a finite set. Question number 6. Set of whole numbers. Yes, so whole numbers we know it starts from 0, right? So if it starts from 0, that means we can write 0, 1, 2, 3, it goes on, right? So we cannot find the end point of whole numbers, right? So it is unlimited, right? So we can write in this way: the number of elements in the set of whole numbers are unlimited and cannot be counted, right? Therefore, given set is an infinite set. Question number 7. Set of rational numbers. So rational numbers also we cannot count, right? So it comes in point, numerator and denominator form, right? So it also cannot be counted. So we can write in this manner: the number of elements in the set of rational numbers are unlimited and cannot be counted. I hope, let me do a revision part also. Rational number definition is the numbers which can be written in P upon Q form, that is numerator and denominator form, where Q should not be equal to 0, right? So rational numbers also are unlimited and cannot be counted, right? Therefore, given set is an infinite set. So dear students, I hope that my efforts will not go in vain and you have understood the concept very clearly, right? So in the next topic we will be learning practice set 1.3 explanation, right? So thank you and stay tuned.